Hi, my name's Elizabeth. I'm a sophomore from Coastal Carolina, and I'm an intern here at Playcard, and this is my friend Lili.
Hi, I'm Lili. I'm a senior at Coastal Carolina. I'm a marine science major, and I'm also an intern here at Playcard.
So here at Playcard, we are doing a research project. Mine is about the American whitewater lilies, and then Lili's is...
Mine is about the largemouth bass right here, and our studies, they kind of connect a little bit. Mine focuses more on the biotic factors, so the living stuff in the ecosystem of the pond, and hers is more focused on the abiotic stuff, so the non-living.
Right, so the non-living or abiotic factors are like the pH of the water, the turbidity, or like dissolved oxygen. Those play important roles in the water quality, so I'm saying how the water lilies affect that. And then today we have a pond ecosystem. So there are three types of ways to display the energy in the ecosystem. There's the food chain, the pyramid, and then the food web. The simplest one is the food chain. So it's a linear relationship. So you take the sun and the plants use the sun's energy and then transfer it to the snails, and then it just goes right up to the heron. And then for the food web, it's the second simplest, because in this one you have multiple relationships between the organisms and the ecosystems. So if you take your finger and you follow the lines, this is algae at the bottom, so that's what you start with, and then you follow the arrow up to the point. The point is the predator. So if you follow it back down, the algae is the prey. So the tadpoles eat the algae. And then
here we have a food web. A food web kind of can show you the whole ecosystem in total. And on the bottom, you're going to start out with the primary producers. Those are the ones that make the energy for the rest of the ecosystem. And there's going to be the most amount of those, so there's a large biomass. That's why they're on the bottom, the biggest part of the triangle, and then it gets smaller as it goes up. So then the next level, we have your primary consumers. So it's like small stuff. You're going to have herbivores in that category. So like tadpoles and snails. And then on top of that, you're going to have your largemouth bass, so that's going to be your secondary consumer. And then up here, you're going to have your apex predator or your tertiary consumer, and this one is going to have to eat the most because only 10% of the energy goes up every level, and 90% of all the energy eaten at every level is lost as heat. So there's a lot of the ones on the bottom because they make the energy, and you have to eat a lot of them to get energy, so there has to be a lot of them.
so this kind of plays in with our research because it kind of shows how like the two, or the abiotic and the biotic factors, like interconnect, and they'll do the relationships. So the relationships between the organisms and their surroundings, so the abiotic and the biotic, is called ecology. So this is a branch of ecology. So that's what we were studying today. And then, do you have anything else to add?
No ma'am, I do not.
Okay, so thank you for watching.
Thank you.
We are from Playcard Environmental Center, so come check us out. Thank you.
Thank you.